Hi, I'm Paul D, the Engineering Manager from Elastotec. I'm here in the Pilbara with our partners, TS Global, SMC.
Hello, my name is Saif Faris, Product Manager of TS Global's Screen Media and Composite SMC category, where we'll be shaping the next generation of wear products and solutions from pit to pour. We are here at one of the largest iron ore fixed plant operations in the red dust Pilbara, Western Australia, for a major shutdown. Our client was suffering from significant bottleneck on 3 identical screen chute underpans due to material build-up, hang-up from sticky feed ore. The ore was caking onto the bisalloy parent metal surface on both sides of the screen underpan. This resulted in productivity loss and increased maintenance due to frequent washdowns of all 3 underpans from the extensive build-up of sticky ore. From a reliability perspective, this directly affected the feed presentation between the screen above and the conveyor below, causing a host of conveyor-related issues, from spillage to uneven wear. This iron ore customer had inquired for a solution from many vendors with different solutions for mitigating this issue that were both high in costs and high risk to safety. Implementing an adaptability such as screen underpan removal for implementing a liner studded arrangement to the bisalloy parent metal, or remodeling and manufacturing new screen underpans. Our client adopted to utilize TS Global's and Elastotec's goods and services to permanently resolve this ongoing bottleneck. My colleague Paul from Elastotec will explain how we did this effectively, timely, and most importantly, safely. We will also be introducing what we call the next generation of how we reline chutes, Magnefast liners.
The chute had a lot of hang up on both walls, which caused blockages. We scoped out the chute to understand the customer requirements. We then developed a wear panel map. This map outlined the quantity of Magnefast panels required along with stop bar positioning. We had a subcontractor on site that erected internal scaffolding and then sandblasted each wall back to the parent metal. This was ready for priming. The TSG service team then primed the wall using an anti-corrosion paint with a paint roller that can also be done using a spray gun machine if available. TS Global service team then marked out the chute and laid the Magnefast panel system from left to right, ensuring the Magnefast panels were level and sealed against each other. The TSG service team then tacked, then welded into place all stop bars required. This process was completed safely, efficiently and on time.
As you can see, we're calling this the next generation of chute relining. Quick, reliable, main strategies have been improved immensely.
Just like that, a full screen underpan done in under 4 hours.